I remembered Fallout 4 as the Fallout game I didn't spend quite enough time on. But replaying it now, over 10 years later, my reaction isn't what I expected. And that made me wonder, why didn't I come back sooner? So the question is simple. Does Fallout 4 still hold up? The last time I played Fallout 4 was right around launch in late 2015. Coming fresh off of Fallout New Vegas, my expectations were simple. Deep role-playing, branching dialogue, and that classic Fallout feeling of choices and consequences. Now, years later, after playing multiplayer games for a long time, I wanted to return to single-player games, and along with Fallout 3, Fallout 4 was on my list. So not to defend it or trash it, let's see how it actually feels in 2026.
War. War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans
War
Hall
never
tonight, right?
changes.
Absolutely. Now get ready and stop
Right.
hogging the...
Good morning. Vault-Tec calling.
Let's get one of the most controversial parts out of the way early.
About you, sir.
Role-playing
Helping
and
secure
dialogue.
your future.
Fallout
You see,
4's
Vault-Tec
voice
is the
protagonist and dialogue
foremost
wheel
builder of
were a
state
big
hallmark
shift coming from what we were
underground
used to
fallout,
seeing,
luxury
and at the time,
accommodations,
it felt
and
like
you can
choices
wait
had
out
been
the
stripped
horrors
down to
and
4
can't forget
versions of
how
the same
happy I am
response.
to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost
And this
urgency has
seems
gone
to
heck in a
hold
handbasket.
mostly true.
If you'll excuse my language, the big kaboom is... It's inevitable, I'm afraid. And coming sooner
With
than
that
you
said,
may think.
what surprised me is how much smoother and more cinematic conversations
Now, I
feel
know
compared to
you're a busy
earlier
fellow,
games.
so I won't take up
You
much
lose a
your
little bit of
time.
depth, but you
I'm
gain
being
flow.
A precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you that because of your family service to our country, you have been pre-selected for entrance into the local vault.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
I've got Sean. Let's go.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills, if you are registered, evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
One thing that's held up for sure is this game does look great, even by 2026 standards.
If you're in the vault program, head to the gate.
That's absurd! I
Not
am
on the list.
Volstec.
You don't get in.
I'm going in. You can't stop me.
We need to get in. We're on the list. Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am. Follow me. Come on.
What's gonna happen to all those people outside the gate?
Everything we can. This way. Keep moving. Step on the platform in the center. Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you. Both of you.
We love you too. Oh my god!
Hold on!
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Where Fallout 4 really starts to win is the exploration factor. The Commonwealth of Boston is dense in a way that still feels impressive. You're constantly finding something, whether it's an abandoned building, a visual story, or even the smallest environmental detail. Even when quests are simple, the act of getting there is often more interesting than the objective itself. And 10 years later, that sense of discovery still holds true. And as I continue to play, it's better than I remembered. Combat is another area where Fallout 4 aged better than expected. Gameplay feels responsive, weapons feel distinct between one another, and with VATS actually complementing real-time combat, fights feel more alive than ever. It's not a pure shooter, but it doesn't feel awkward anymore either, like Fallout 3 did. This is where Fallout 4 starts to feel less like a traditional RPG and more like a hybrid that Bethesda was clearly moving towards. The settlement system is still the most divisive feature in the game. If you came to Fallout for story and role-playing, settlements can feel like busy work that interrupts the pacing. But if you enjoy systems, customization, and long-term progression, it's easy to see why people sink hundreds of hours into this. The real issue isn't that settlements exist, it's that Fallout 4 expects you to take care of them. As an optional system, settlements work. As a pillar of the game, that's where opinions start to split. Not everything in this game aged gracefully, but the atmosphere, exploration, and moment-to-moment gameplay are stronger than what I remembered. Fallout 4 doesn't excel in one single area, it survives because it does a lot of things well enough. So does Fallout 4 hold up? If you're looking for deep role-playing and branching narrative paths, it may or may not be your favorite Fallout game. But if you enjoy exploration, world design, and system-driven gameplay, Fallout 4 holds up better than ever. After 10 years away, I can finally take the time to appreciate it for what it is, not just what it isn't. What are your thoughts on Fallout 4? Leave a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more gameplay and content. Thank you.